They are now attending the circuit assembly in Batan City at CSU gym. The new venue for this assembly. Before it was FSU, but now it is now in CSU, the newly built renovated gym. Oh, namre. Okay.
Selamat.
We are already arrived in CSU. Itaya greeting us. This is the new CSU gym of Butuan City. Sige, sige. And here are delegates for this assembly. And the theme of this assembly is higugma ang mga tao paghimog tinunan.
Say hi to my vlog.
Sige, sige. Hi. Oh, nara.
Nandito ang lalaki.
Ano ba lang?
Kaya ang
Ano
side.
ka to? Ito.
Doctor.